In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find transactions on Binance. This is an essential skill for managing your cryptocurrency investments effectively. Understanding how to access your transaction history will help you keep track of your assets, monitor your trades, and stay informed about your financial activities on the platform. First, let's start by opening the Binance app and signing in. Once you tap the Binance icon on your device, the app will load and you will be greeted by the login screen. Enter your credentials carefully to ensure you access your account securely. After entering your email and password, tap the login button. This step is crucial as it keeps your account secure and allows you to access all necessary functions of the app. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure to complete that process as well. Next, tap Wallet at the top of the screen. The wallet section is where you can view your assets and the different wallets available on Binance. Once you are in the wallet area, you'll see various wallets such as Spot, Funding, and Earn. Each of these wallets serves a different purpose, and it's important to know which one you are checking to find the relevant transactions. Now select the wallet you want to check, such as Spot, Funding, Earn, or any other wallet you have. By selecting the appropriate wallet, you narrow down the transactions you are interested in. For instance, if you are looking for a recent purchase, the Spot wallet is typically where you would find those transactions. This clarity in selection will save you time later on, making it easier to locate the information you need. After selecting your wallet, tap the history or clock icon. This icon usually appears in the top right corner of the screen, and it is your gateway to viewing transaction history. It's essential to locate this icon because it directs you to the records of all your transactions. Once you tap this icon, you will be taken to a screen displaying your transaction history for the selected wallet. Next, choose the type of transaction you want to view. You will have options such as deposits, withdrawals, transfers, spot trades, margin trades, and P2P transactions. Selecting the correct type of transaction is crucial for finding specific activities. For example, if you want to see your deposits, tapping on the deposits option will filter the history to show only those transactions. This targeted approach helps you find relevant information quickly and efficiently. Once you have selected a transaction type, you can use the filters to search by coin or date. The filter options are usually located at the top of the transaction history screen. By applying these filters, you can narrow your search results further. This feature is particularly useful if you have a large number of transactions and want to find a specific one. For instance, if you are looking for a Bitcoin transaction from last month, you can set the filter accordingly to find it without scrolling through all your records. To view trade transactions specifically, switch back to the exchange and go to Trade. This transition is important because it leads you to the trading interface where you can access detailed information about your trades. The Trade section provides a comprehensive view of all your trading activities, including orders and executed trades which may not be available in the wallet history. Now tap the three-dot menu right under the main menu icon. This menu will reveal additional options related to your trading history. It is a vital step because it allows you to further explore your trading activities beyond the general transaction history. By accessing this menu, you can dive deeper into your trading data. Finally, select History, then Order History or Trades History. This final step will lead you to a detailed list of all your trade transactions. Here you can review each trade specifics, including the date, amount, and price at which you traded. This capability is essential for monitoring your trading performance and making informed decisions in the future. By following these steps, you can easily access and manage your transactions on Binance. This knowledge enhances your ability to stay organized and informed about your cryptocurrency activities.